welcome to day 1 of our 14-day abs challenge. This challenge is designed to get you on track to strengthen your core, give you that ab definition in just 14 days. Today's workout is a 10-minute abs burn. It's not going to be easy. It's going to be fast-paced. We're going to challenge our abs, but that's what you showed up here today to do, to challenge yourself, to prove to yourself that you can do it, and get that strong core. So starting on our back, we're going to start with dead bugs to really get that mind-muscle connection, and you want to go slow here to really engage your abs. So for the dead bug, your legs are up, arms are up. You're going to lower opposite arm with opposite leg like this, come back up. Now your knees need to stay in a 90-degree position and your core is engaged. Make sure that lower back doesn't arch up off the floor. So you see how here, I'm not engaged. You want to really engage your core. Tuck that tailbone in and keep going. Woo. This should feel difficult. If it feels too easy, you're not engaging enough. And constantly remind yourself to tuck that pelvis to engage your core. We're doing each move for 45 seconds. We've got 15 seconds to go to the next one. Woo. Come back and hold. Okay, now we've got a 90-degree crunch. This really targets the lower abs, strengthens the lower abs and the deep core. So you're gonna bring your legs up into a 90-degree position. Pelvis is tucked, tailbone is tucked, and you're just gonna crunch up here, come back down. So if your knees are too close to your head, to your chest, you're not gonna feel it in your abs enough. And if they're too far, it's gonna be really, really difficult to do this exercise. So you wanna make sure your knees are stacked right on top of your hips. Whew. Oh my God, it already burned. Listen, I had a baby, 10 months ago, and my core is still obviously not where it used to be because it's only been 10 months. But oh my God, I feel like an absolute beginner when I'm doing abs. Holy moly. It is hard, but it's supposed to be. It is supposed to be. Oof. I'm back down. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we're doing bicycle crunch with a slow hold. So just because we're not going fast here doesn't mean it's not working. We're crunching up, holding 2 seconds, switch, engaging your core the whole time. Switch, let's go. Switch. Switch, come on. Oof. Hold. Hold, you got this. Ooh, keep going. Oh my God, come back in. Oof. All right, now we're doing kind of like a star crunch. So this one is very hard, but that's what you came here to do, is to challenge yourself. So for this one, you're gonna put your hands out like this. You're gonna bring everything in to a crunch, bring it out like a star, back in. So meet in the middle. Extend. Now you're exhaling on the effort. So exhale, and then inhale when you come back in. Oh my God. Oof. It's okay to take breaks. Don't forget. Just get back up when you can and keep going. Exhale. In.
Wanna go down? Yeah, I need that. We don't give up. Where my girls at? Wanna cop this? Louis V bag. Born to slay. I'm counting up. Talking to the boss. Don't follow my lead.
Come back down. Oh my God. That was hard. Okay. Now I've got crunch toe tap. So legs go up again. We're lowering one leg at a time, tapping the heel on the floor. Again, this targets more of the lower abs, which I feel like most ab exercises don't target that good. So that's why we want to make sure we do some lower abs. Remember to come back to the 90-degree position. Knees are stacked on top of the hips. You got this. Inhale when you come up, exhale down. In. Oh my God, come back up. Holy moly, catch your breath. Woo. Now we've got leg raise with a pulse. So don't let your feet touch the floor on this one. You can put your hands underneath your hips. So we're bringing down the legs, pulse it at the bottom, come back up. Let's go. Come down, pulse, up, let's go. Making sure that your back stays on the floor. So you don't have to go super low. Just go as low as you can feel. You have to engage, pulse, back up. Keep your tailbone tucked forward, engage. Up. Ooh. Last 2 seconds. Oh my God, girl. My abs are crying, but we are at the finish line. We're almost there. Now we've got plank twist. So go ahead and get into a plank position on your elbows here. And you're gonna slowly dip your hip to one side, switch. So first, most important thing is your plank form. You want to be straight from your neck to your heels. So if doing the twist is too complicated for you, you can just hold the plank. Keep going. Dip. 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 We're working a little bit of obliques here and deep core. Oh my God. Lord have mercy. Keep going with me. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we've got stomach back movements targeting the transverse abdominis. That's your body's natural core. Say to cinch that waist. Get your waist snatched. You're gonna get on all fours here, and you're gonna pull that belly button into your spine. Okay, so on the exhale, bring that belly button into your spine and hold. I do have an updated tutorial on how to do the vacuum. Exhale. Inhale, another exhale. We're gonna do one more time. So if you're lost on how to do these, you might want to just skip this for now and watch the vacuum tutorial because it's really important that you do it right. Keep holding. Bring that belly button into your spine. Hold. And release. And now for the last one, we are getting down. A plank for 1 whole minute. Let's go on your elbows. We're gonna hold. So you are totally straight, okay? So from your neck down to your ankles. Keep holding. Woo! We're halfway through at the 30-second mark. Just 30 more seconds to go. If you need to come out of it, you can get up on your hands for a second and back down to your elbows, but try not to drop your body to the ground. Let's go. Reset and hold. Just 15 more seconds here. You can do it. Keep holding. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it. Oh my God. That was hard. Please, oh my gosh, document your journeys. I absolutely love watching your TikToks of you guys working out with me, documenting your journey from day 1 of this 2-week abs challenge. Over on my app, Daily Thrive, we do have kind of like a premium version of this challenge with a 14-day eating plan. So if you want to check that out and all the other programs and challenges we have, you know where to go. Daily Thrive app on the App Store, and the link is in my description. Thank you so much for being here. Can't wait to see you tomorrow on day 2, and I hope your abs are feeling okay and ready for the next one. Bye.